The story of baby Jesus. A long time ago, in a town called Nazareth, lived a young woman named Mary. Mary did her chores, was kind to others, and loved God very much. She was going to marry Joseph, who was a carpenter. One day, while Mary was at home cleaning her room, an angel suddenly appeared. Before Mary could say anything, the angel told Mary that she was going to be blessed by God and that God was with her. Mary was surprised. She was trying not to be afraid, but she had never seen an angel before. After all, Mary was just a regular lady like you or I. Why was this angel visiting her? What did the angel want? The angel quickly tried to reassure Mary. "Do not be afraid," the angel said. "God is happy with you and wants to bless you. You will have a baby boy and you must name him Jesus." Mary was confused. She was not yet married to Joseph, so how could she have a baby? The angel thought that this might concern Mary, so he said, "I will perform a miracle for you, and because of this, your baby will be called the Son of God." Mary couldn't believe what she was hearing. She didn't know what to say. She realized that she was shaking and knelt down. When she was finally able to speak, she said, "I believe in God, and I hope everything you have said will come true." Then the angel disappeared, and Mary was waiting to tell Joseph the wonderful news. Soon after, Joseph found out that Mary was going to have a baby. Joseph was confused by this. But an angel came to him in a dream and said, "Joseph, do not be afraid to take Mary as your wife. The child Mary is going to have is God's son, and you are to give him the name Jesus." When Joseph woke up, he remembered what the angel had said. He knew that everything was okay and he wasn't worried anymore. In those days, it was decided that they should count everyone that lived in a particular area of the world. So, Joseph had to take Mary to his town of Bethlehem to register. Bethlehem was far away and they didn't have cars back then, so it would take Mary and Joseph a long time to get to Bethlehem. Joseph finally found a small donkey and put Mary on the donkey since there was only place for one. This was very tiring for Mary because she was soon going to have a baby. When they reached the town, all the hotels were full and there was nowhere that they could stay. Finally, a man felt bad for them and said, "I have a place you can stay. It's not a hotel, but it's warm and you will be safe for the night." When Mary and Joseph came to the place, they saw that it was a small barn where animals were kept. There were donkeys, cows, and some hens laying around. Mary and Joseph were thankful that they at least had a place to lie down. It was warm and there was plenty of straw to lay on. While Joseph and Mary prepared for the birth of baby Jesus, news had spread that the Son of God was to be born in a small stable. Shepherds heard the news and came with their sheep to see the baby. Kings travelled from faraway lands carrying gifts of perfumes, gold, silver, and blankets for the baby. That night, an exciting, wonderful thing happened. Mary and Joseph had a baby. But this wasn't just any baby, he was baby Jesus. The creator of the whole world, the King of Kings, and the one who would save the world. The little baby boy fell asleep in Mary's arms. She wrapped him in cloths and laid him in a manger on some clean straw. While the kings and shepherds watched, Mary and Joseph soon fell asleep. They were so glad to have this special baby join their family. The end.